Welcome to Saguaro National Park. In the heart of the Sonoran Desert, giant saguaros rise from the desert like silent guardians of the landscape. Some have stood here for more than a century, as they are extremely slow growing. Hopefully, by the time you visit, the Visitor Center parking lot construction project has been completed. It was a bit of chaos, but patience and a sense of humor go a long way. The road we are driving on is Cactus Forest Drive in the Eastside District. The scenic loop is 8 miles with educational pull-offs and trailheads. In 1933, President Herbert Hoover protected the area as Saguaro National Monument, preserving thousands of acres of cactus forest. Over time, the protected land expanded, and in 1994, it was officially redesignated as Saguaro National Park. Today, the park protects nearly 100,000 acres of desert landscape, ensuring that these iconic giants will continue to stand over the Sonoran Desert for generations to come. Unlike most parks, Saguaro National Park is divided into 2 separate districts on opposite sides of Tucson. The Rincon Mountain District on the east side and the Tucson Mountain District on the west side. Each side has slightly different landscapes, wildlife, and hiking experiences. first glance, the desert feels quiet. But look closer. Life is everywhere. Cactus wrens calling from the spines, woodpeckers carving homes in towering cacti, and golden sunsets painting the mountains beyond. The giant saguaro cactus is mostly water. After a big desert rain, a mature cactus can weigh over 4 to 5 tons because it absorbs and stores huge amounts of water to survive long dry periods. Saguaros grow so slowly that it may take 50 to 75 years just to grow their first arm. Some of the largest ones in the park are 150 to 200 years old, meaning they started growing before Arizona was even a state.
I'm a rolling stone, bound to roam. Come the morning, or I'll be gone. Pouring rain, wanna hear that train. There she comes, won't you get on? Won't you get on board? Trees, falling leaves, like the breeze, won't you blow on? Take a sip, I'ma pack my grip. One more trip, and I'ma move on. I'ma move on. Across the track, don't look back. All the jack, won't you roll on? City lights, what blinds your eyes? Don't look twice, won't you go on?
Now, I had to keep this footage in to show how insane the visitor center parking lots can be. The construction did not help the confusion, and a park ranger had to step in to mediate the situation. Again, patience and sense of humor help in these situations.
bound to roam. Come the morning, oh, I'll be gone. Pouring rain, wanna hear that train. There she comes, won't you get on?